frequently think every now and then of the glorious fruit of the noble hen. Eggs! Eggs! E-double-G-S, eggs. My knowledge of eggs is tremendously wide. I've eaten them boiled, I've eaten them fried, poached and shirred and deviled and scrambled, omelette, schmomelettes, coddled and frambled. I've eaten them beaten and swizzled and swazzled, frizzled, cadizzled, bamboozled and fuzzled. I know every way that an egg can be guzzled, and thinking of egg can be guzzled, and thinking of eggs reminds me of Sam, whose favorite dish is green eggs and ham.
I am Sam. Sam I am. That's Sam I am. That's Sam I am. I do not like that Sam I am. Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham.
He does not like them, Sam I am. He doesn't like green eggs and ham.
Would you like them here? Or there? I would not like them here. Or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am.
He doesn't like green eggs and ham. He doesn't like them.
Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse? I would not like them in a house. I would not like them with a mouse. I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere.
Green eggs and ham. He doesn't like green eggs and ham. He doesn't like them. He doesn't like green eggs and ham. He doesn't like green eggs and ham. He doesn't like them. He doesn't like green eggs and ham.
Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with a fox? No, not in a box, not with a fox. Not in a house, not with a mouse. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere. Yuck. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam I am. Could you, in a car, eat them, here they are. I would not, could not in a car. You may like them, you will see. You may like them in a tree. I would not, could not in a tree, not in a car. Now let me be. Not in a box, not with a fox, not in a house, not with a mouse. I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am.
Sam I am. Everyone doesn't need it, touch it wouldn't get it. Put it here or anywhere.
Eggs and ham, I do not like them.
Sam I am. Doesn't need it, wouldn't touch it, wouldn't like it here or anywhere.
Would you? On a train? No, not on a train, not in a tree, not in a car, Sam. Let me be. Not in a box, not in a box. Not with a mouse, not in a house, not here or there, not anywhere. In the dark? Here in the dark? Would you? Could you? In the dark? No, I would not, could not in the dark. Could you? In the rain? I would not, could not in the rain. Not in the dark, not in a train, not in a car, not in a tree. I would not like it, can you see? Would you, could you? With a goat? I would not, could not with a goat. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere. Would you, could you? On a boat. I would not on a boat. I will not with a goat. Not in the rain, not on a train. You do not like them, so you said. Try them, and you may. Try them, and you may, I say. Them. If you will let me be, I will try them, and you will see. I like green eggs and ham. I like them some ham. I place them in a boat. I place them with a goat. I place them in the rain. And on a train. And in a tree. They're so good to see. I place them in a butt. I place them with a fuck.
He will eat them in a box, and he will eat them with a fox, and he will eat them in a house, and he will eat them with a mouse, and he will eat them in their order. Say,
I do so like green eggs and ham. Thank you. Thank you. Sam I am. I like them, Sam I am. I wait them in a boat, and I wait them with a goat, and I wait them in the rain, and in the back, and on the train, and in the car, and in the tree. They are so good to see. It's like we eat them in a box, and we eat them with a fuck.
he will eat them in a box, and he will eat them with a fox, and he will eat them in a house, and he will eat them with a mouse, and he will eat them in their order.
I do so like green eggs and ham. Thank you. Thank you. Sarah my own.